Okay, so this is a virtual open house of 6928 Valle Pacifico here in beautiful Prunedale, California. Just gonna take a look through the house here. All the details will be in the information below. But I just want to point out some of the features of the home. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. So let's go on through. Little French welcome for you there. So, these are some new wood floors, dining area, beautiful lighting fixtures throughout. You got your kitchen, living room, dining room area all here. But first thing that'll take your breath away here when you come through this house will be the views. And you can kind of see a little peek. We'll get to those in a minute. Check this out. It's just a beautiful home. So you've got some upper cabinets here in the kitchen. Semi-open concept feel to it. Some nice fixtures on the cabinets. And here's your pantry. More cabinetry for you there. Give you a shot from this angle. We'll come back to the garage in just a minute. Just want to give you a tour of the rest of the house. So these are all double pane windows all throughout. You got your burning wood stove there. Sliding glass door out into the patio. This is perfect for entertaining. You'll get the sunrise through the patio door off this deck. And you actually have a large living area here. Take you around this way. Bar seating, really nicely set up. Got a wet bar as well. All set up for you there. And let's go take a look at the bedrooms. So here you've got your coat closet at the entrance here. So that's nice. And as you go down the hallway, have a linen closet for you there. And it's your furnace closet. Go there. And check out the crown moldings, beautiful. The light fixtures are beautiful. Your wainscoting throughout the home is just fantastic. And here is the primary bedroom. This is phenomenal. It almost takes you away, like as if you're in Paris. So this is the primary bedroom. You got well-organized closets here. You got double closets that you've got here. Again, beautiful medallion light fixtures are just phenomenal. Again, standard closets, but they are double closets, so you've got upper and lower space for shoe racks and whatnot. Another sliding glass door out to your deck areas that surround the home. So it's just a lovely home. And here is the primary bathroom. Yay! This actually has radiant heating in the floor, so the floors are warm actually. I took my shoes off as I came through and I could actually feel the warmth on the tiles. Beautiful. Again, exquisitely done. You can imagine coming home and relaxing in this private tub here. Very nice. You got the shower over the tub there. And again, all nice touches in that primary bathroom for you. Pocket door. It's kind of nice. Take one last look before we head out. There you go. And as we go down the hallway, you're actually going to have, I just love this bathroom. Very simple, clean. This is your hall bath that your guests can use, or they can be shared between these two bedrooms here. So these are bedrooms number 2 and 3 here. Both nicely done. And one thing I wanted to point out is that this home, if you look at all their closets, each closet has electrical wiring to it. So that's a nice feature of the home. Mirrored closet doors, more exquisite lighting, all tastefully done. These carpets, by the way, in all the bedrooms are brand new. They were just installed. We got more room in here. And this can be an office, also a guest room. Obviously being used as an office currently. Again, electrical lighting in the closets for you, making that nice. And this is one of the bedrooms here. So very nice. Beautiful little office room, den, or a third bedroom. Okay, so let's go ahead and we're gonna go outside. Just grab my shoes. So you gotta check out this garage. You've got some nice features in here. The water heater and the furnace are propane. So those are set up for you. Garage, anytime you see the cedar planks here, that's an insulated portion of the garage. The owner actually insulated those. And the washer dryer. This is an electric dryer, but there is a connection for propane as well. And then it's the rest of the garage there. So nice size 2-car garage for you. Again, just really nicely done. And then over here, you know, obviously we've got some moving going on here, so excuse the mess. But I just had to point out this little workbench area, how nicely organized this is. Check that out. So you're all organized there, all set up. And then you also have a door out to the backyard and the deck. So it gives you an idea. You have the rafter storage up above, and some of it is sealed off, obviously. But there's your garage. So very nice. As you come back into the home. So you can just imagine entertaining here. You've got a beautiful deck this opens out to. In fact, let's just go ahead and go on out this way to our deck. These are all double pane windows. And check this out. This is what will make you fall in love with this home. Is you are at the top of the hill here at Valle Pacifico. So you do have neighbors down below, one off to the side. But that home is the one that, if you saw the water tank earlier, there's a home behind that, and that's about it. Otherwise, you are enjoying a beautiful private deck here. So you've got bar areas, foot stands. You can do a fire pit here. There's the door we saw coming out of the garage. But just let's look at this. Top of the world views. So I'm told the sunrise comes up this way. You can already see the moon. I don't know if it'll pick up in the camera here. But plenty of congregating areas. You know, if you're entertaining, these are all little separate areas that people enjoy just hanging out, talking, You can bring your drinks out to these decks or whatnot and really enjoy that. Oh, I gotta point this out to you. We actually have even more storage out here that I forgot to show you. Let's get this open for you. Look at this storage. A little side storage shed. Kind of a off the garage here. Just back up to show that to you. Yeah, so there you go. So it's a nice little area there. And you can see the beautiful deck wraps pretty much from the living room that we just came out of. Got little seating areas that we'll get to in a minute there. And you can just imagine enjoying a nice afternoon out here in Prunedale. People call it Pruntucky, I call it Pruntopia, because it's pretty awesome. You know, once homes started going over $1 million, you can't call it Pruntucky anymore. It has to be Pruntopia. But here you've got another little portico area. Look at this. Look at these views. They just go on for days. So the property is an acre and actually goes down quite a ways between here and the neighbors. So you got quite a bit. We'll put an image of the map on the MLS for you so you can take a look at that, get an idea how far down it goes. But here is got some outdoor lighting out there. Just really, really peaceful setting. It's like a treehouse at the top of the hill. So you do have a little steep driveway coming up, but once you're up here, you're in your little piece of the sky here. Got all your lighting for entertaining at night. Forgot to turn that on. Look at this. So now you've got all this side area here, more areas to hang out during entertaining. It's just so much to take in. This is the little deck here off the primary bedroom. Again, everything wraps around. And now this is a little tiny house out behind the property. Has its own little private spot here. Just gorgeous. So let's go check this out. So if you have guests or family members maybe that you'd want to put in here, this is like a little studio, tiny house. But look at this. This is so well done. Beautiful, beautiful wood interior. And it's all brand new on the inside here. And I believe this bed here is a trundle bed, so that actually pulls out, so you can get some ideas of what you'd want to do here. These are all double pane windows. They look out to the views out there. You need quite a bit of privacy. Cute little kitchen, refrigerator, stove. And then over here you've got a bathroom, shower, your sink. They're just amazing. Just really nice touches, little heater there. And I'll open this up so you can see this. There you go. Nicely done tile. And that's a step-in shower for you. And you got a nice little barn door pocket here. So that rolls back and forth for you. A little table to eat. Again, just exquisitely done. Very nice presentation. Little fireplace for some ambiance there. And then This is your walkway to the main house out front. So you have plenty of parking. You could even park a car here. You came around the corner with it. And just to give you your bearings, if you're familiar with Prunedale, the Ponderosa lake area is right down below here. And San Miguel is off in the distance, San Miguel Canyon. But again, just a beautiful area. The well is shared with the neighbors, so we'll put information on that. There's the tank. Propane. This little privacy fencing here kind of separates you from the neighbors, give you a little bit of privacy between you. The house is right next door. It goes between their driveway and this driveway. So there you go. 6928 Valle Pacifico, waiting for you to come make some amazing memories here.